this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a broken or cracked door shelf bin in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new door bin, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. To remove the bin, lift up on both sides to release it from the locking tabs. If needed, gently tap on the bottom. When shopping for a new door bin, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. This bin is location specific, so make sure you're ordering the correct bin. To install the door bin, align the tabs and push down to lock in place. And that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and like videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.